pedal and cable. So everything has their own work. The foot pedal, once you press the foot pedal, it releases the saline. So can you please press it, sir? So once you press the button, it releases the saline here. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Something used to happen here. It releases the saline. Saline is nothing but saline is the conducting medium for any surgery doing by coagulation. Coagulation is without saline. Coagulation is nothing. So this is our band. It has 4 modes: ablation, coagulation, irrigation, and suction. So you no need to put extra suction. Why? I think you must be doing the routine technique. So you will be putting extra suction. So no need to put extra suction in that. So only thing you have to connect the suction here, and the moment you will connect the band, so automatically the settings used to come. 7 and 3. So yes, 7 is ablation and 3 is coagulation. So you can increase the ablation up to 9, but 7 is the optimum setting, and 3 coagulation you can use increase up to 5. But this is a normal setting. Just keep it 7 to 5 only. 7 to 3. 7 and 3. Yes, this is a regular setting. So what happens, sir? Once you give the RF energy to this, after connecting with the saline, it gives a plasma kind of thing, sir. So there's some glow it gives. That is, glow is nothing but it's a plasma. That is a 4th state of matter. Solid, liquid, and state. This is the 3 state of matter. This is the 4th state of matter. Plasma. So once you press the ablation, can you please press the ablation, sir? So you can see some glow here, sir. This red glow is plasma. This only ablates the tissue. So can we use it for tonsil, adenoids, all your snoring surgeries, nasal polyps, laryngeal applications. Now we are, surgeons they are using it for your angiofibroma. So every day we are getting the new indications for the coagulation. So yes, if you press the coagulation, there won't be anything, but you will see the thermal effect is more here.
Regular coagulation.
Yes, there won't be any coagulation. You cannot see any glow here.
Regular coagulation.
Yes, there is regular coagulation.
Bleeding control.
The advantages for the coagulation is the temperature. Temperature won't go more than 70 degrees Celsius. Yes, 70 is the maximum. Sometimes when doing coagulation, it goes up to 90 degrees. If you press the coagulation more, then there may be a thermal damage. So that is also minimum. With us,
NS has to be
once what happened, Dr. Srinivas Kishore in Rainbow Hospital, sometimes we are keeping it on 9, and by mistake doctor are pressing this one.
Okay.
And again we are getting a call, your coagulation is not on. Yes. So it should be 7, at least 7. Yes, sir.
Outside the saline it will not give.
It will come. Okay, let me connect it, sir. You can see the glow here, sir, like that. But this saline should, touch the electrode. The electrode is made up of tungsten. Call it EVAC 70 extra HP, sir. So we have number of bands. We have a band for adenoids that is called 12,000 rupees plus tax. Cases, this is 4 cases.
Only one case you can do by the.
Yes, sir. Whole here. Yes, sir. So in this band, the saline is coming from here, all the same ports.
Okay.
The ablation is happening from here. Irrigation is happening from here, and suction is also happening from here. But in this band is different, sir. Footprint is bigger than other metals in the electrode here. We have 2 bands. That is for precise. One is for precise removal. You can work with this band. You can reach 5th ring of trachea with this band. So
deworking like product.
So rest of things give the thermal effect only. So that is why you can use this band for 8 to 10 cases.